Based in southern China, we serve global customers. Wintop Optics Company Limited. Wintop Optics was established in August 2006, which focuses on developing, manufacturing, and marketing all kinds of optical fixed lenses. Our products range include 360-degree panorama lenses, car DVR lenses, car rear view lenses, drone photograph lenses, action camera lenses, CCTV surveillance lenses, smart home application lenses, etc. Wintop has its own independent optical system develop and design team, which has more than 50 kinds of utility model design patterns. Hubei factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters. Starting from lens production, we focus on every detail. Monthly production of glass grinding reaches 2 million. Lens assembly equipped with 1,000 level dust-free workshop. It has 8 manual assembly lines and 3 automatic production lines, with monthly output approach 2 million sets optical lenses. Start from 2012 year, Wintop Optical has established strategic cooperative relationships with WeTech, Airboat, Jobo, BYD. We help pass the International Automotive Task Force 16949-2002 certification and launch close in-depth cooperation with Wima Softech. High-quality lenses, Wintop Optics makes.